first one that we're going to look at is my pomegranate tree. As you can see, I got small little pomegranates growing on this tree. All right, so this tree, I think this is the third year of growth. And as you can see, I have it in a big old pot. But first year, I pretty much left it out in the winter and it almost killed the entire tree. And now it is making a comeback with a couple pomegranates on it. Check them out. Hopefully, by the end of this year, they will get bigger and I'll be able to eat them. But this tree blossoms all the time. Literally, in the wintertime, when I have it inside the house, it blossoms just like this with barely any sunlight. And the leaves, they always stay green, and it's absolutely awesome. I think this tree will be able to produce even indoors. Like, it blossoms just like this in the middle of winter. I do keep my house at like 70, 75 during winter, so it pretty much stays very warm. All right, but it is finally making a comeback. And now we're going to look at my pineapple tree. All right, same thing with this one. Last year I left it outside during winter. And I don't know if you can see on the bottom, but all of these were like this. They were huge, but when I left them over winter, it pretty much made them all yellow in one single day. They pretty much froze, and I thought I lost the pineapple completely. But this year, all these brand new ones have grown now, and the tree is getting bigger and bigger. Also, check it out right there on the bottom. There's a second pineapple tree growing right in the middle. I do not know what I'm gonna do with that one. I might just leave it there, or I might try to cut it out. But for now, I'm gonna leave it. I am expecting a big old blossom to come out from the center of the pineapple, but so far it has not come out. But this year it has doubled in size. This is my regular tomato, and these are my jalapeno peppers that I had planted. I got these two pots this year, but next year I'll be adding new plants to the collection. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, and make sure to check out my other videos on this channel about plants and updates on other plants. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.